Do it anyway, so you might as well do it good.
Shh.
This is a clock upon the wall. Story of us all. This is the first sound of a newborn child before he starts to crawl. This is the war it's never won. This is a soldier and his. This is the mother waiting by your phone, praying for pictures of you, pictures of me, up upon your wall.
This is beautiful.
Pictures of you, pictures of me.
Extreme close up.
Remind us of what we used to be. Confess to me.
You've done it before, huh?
Every secret moment, every stolen promise you believe. Confess to me. Because all the lies between you and me.
I'm so putting that in. You go. It's gonna be the awesomest montage.
We are the bells that never sing. There's a title we can read no matter how much we pictures of you, pictures of me. I'm upon your wall for the world to see. Pictures of you, pictures of me. Remind us all of what we used to be. Pictures of you, pictures of me. I'm upon your wall for the world to see. Pictures of you, pictures of me.
It's okay, I'm recording it.
Remind us all of what we could have been.
It's your montage, so it goes with the song.
Keep going!
We could have been.
Rocks are burning.
Pictures of you, pictures of me.
You're rolling, but you need to like jump.
You're too shit!
What we could have been, Oh, that was tiring.
Beautiful.
That is easy.
Well done.
When you wake up, it will seem so yesterday, Haven't you heard that I'm gonna be okay?
I need someone hide some of your life. Please keep me alive. Somewhere to hide. To keep me alive. I'm not a robot. I'm a